You're going to learn about creating a dashboard in this video. We'll show how to set up a dashboard from a template and how to build your own. Then we'll see where to find some important dashboard settings and how to export a dashboard if needed. Let's get going. In TapClicks, go to Tap Reports in the left menu navigation and click on Dashboards. On this page, you'll find an overview of all of the dashboards that you have built. To create a new dashboard, click the plus sign at the top of the screen. Next, you can create a dashboard from scratch or use a template. We'll discuss both in this video. First, let's use a template. You'll see some of the most popular dashboard templates that you can use. For example, if you wanted an overview of your Twitter analytics or Google AdWords, there's a predefined template you can use as a starting point. You'll find there are templates based on the data source and some that combine data sources, so you can see all of the information in a channel, such as all social data sources or your SEM data sources together. The predefined dashboard templates were put together by industry analytics experts and reflect metrics and channel-specific KPIs based on best practices. So be sure to explore the templates for inspiration anytime you're creating a new dashboard. Remember, a dashboard consists of widgets to visualize the data, and the widgets need the data source to be connected to TapClicks. If you choose a template that uses a data source that you have not connected yet, like the one here, then the platform will walk you through connecting the data source so you can use the template. I'm going to select a Google Analytics Overview dashboard template so we can finish the template setup. On the left side, there's a preview of some of the widgets that are on the template. We can change the template and the widgets themselves, even though we're using a template. The settings here, from top to bottom, allow us to rename the template, add a data profile, or otherwise choose the default data profile, and add a business unit. I've expanded the optional items here for data pre-filtering. So if we wanted to have this dashboard only load a certain client's data, we could make that selection in the data pre-filtering. And there are some styling options for font size and color. Once saved with the button at the bottom, this template is ready to use or edit. Now let's go over what you'll see when you choose to create a freehand dashboard. And know that you can save freehand dashboards as templates for future use as well. In the new modal, you'll give the dashboard a title, and then you can select data profiles or choose the default profile as I've done here, and add business units if configured. Otherwise, leave those dropdowns blank. You can select a single client if you're creating a dashboard specifically for a particular client. And you can specify the font size and chart colors to align to your branding. Click Save at the bottom and your dashboard is ready to house widgets and visualize your data. That's all that's needed to create a dashboard, either by using a template or building your own. Lastly, we're going to show you where to find some important settings for your dashboards after you've created or selected a template to use. So here is the Google Analytics Overview dashboard, which is a copy of the template we used earlier. If we wanted to download what's here, we could click the Quick Download button to get a PDF, PowerPoint, or Excel version of what's here. Keep in mind that the download will not have the same interaction possibilities, so no changing the date range or drilling down in the data. But if you needed a copy of what's in the dashboard, this is how to download it. And now we'll shift attention to modifying the dashboard. Click the three dots for more options at the top. This is where we can edit the dashboard name, add or remove additional sections, publish to the library, and export to Report Studio if you wanted to use the dashboard as a starting point for a more refined design in Report Studio. Be sure to explore all that's under the More Options button after you select your template. There are a lot of options here for modifying your dashboard. We hope you've enjoyed seeing how to get started with dashboards in TapClicks.